Well, here's the new toy we're working on. This thing right here. I already tried this out. This is a 555 timer and IR amplifier to run a speaker into that microphone there. This is just a battery, some transistor amplifiers, IR, some resistors, and as it acts as an infrared switch, and that's it. But you know, it only operates in motion usually. Different sensitivity. Has a lot of geometrical effects in electronics. A lot of this is positive logic, and it can be seriously erroneous if you do not have a very serious geometrical fixture on all the vectors that may pertain to a device like this, any kind of an electronic device. It's pretty serious business. So you shouldn't leave like these kinds of looking devices like running anytime when you're not around, not present, nor should you overload or cross a circuit or anything like that.